Okay, we like the exposure. We've done a little dodging and burning, which means we've adjusted local, like very specific area contrasts to make it a more appealing picture. And we've mellowed that out so that appeal is happening on a subconscious level, not like this super obvious cartoonish looking thing. And the water is a little blurry. We can fix just a slight blur. If it's super blurry, we can't do anything. Now with layers, the top layer affects everything beneath it. And it's affecting everything down to this background copy. This background copy is like, it's like a printout, like an actual physical photo sitting on top of this other background copy that's an actual physical photo. So there's no transparency. So this bottom layer is just hidden. That's just there so we have it in case we need it. What I can do is, what is this drop down layer? Okay, I can close that or open it. What I can do is highlight this first background copy, drag it down to copy it. So I have two copies. I have a copy, look, a copy of a copy. Turn this upper copy into an overlay layer, and it gets crazy. But if I go up to filter and other and go to high pass, what that's doing is that's looking for edges. It's looking for where lines should be and sort of drawing a contrasty line. The radius is the pixel size. If I crank that all the way to the right and make it ridiculous, you can start seeing what's happening. It's really looking for edges. It's creating more contrast for us, which our eye likes to see. Our eyes and brains like to find lines. So that's super obvious, but if we dial it back down anywhere from like 4 to 12 pixels, then it's something that looks sharper, but we're not quite sure why. If I do it too much, then it looks cartoonish and it looks over manipulated. But if you keep it between 4 and 12, then it just looks like it's sharper. I hit OK. And what I should do is label this high pass sharpen so that I remember what it is. If I turn it off, we will see the before. Turn it back on, we will see the after. Okay. Off, before, on, after. Now if you overdo it, you can always go to opacity and turn it down. Okay. That is optional. Not every picture needs that, but if there's just a little bit of blurring, it's a useful tool.